AMALearning, you're about to. Specification point 3.7b. Explain how the order of bases in a section of DNA decides the order of amino acids in the protein, and that these fold to produce specifically shaped proteins such as enzymes. This is a biology-only specification point. It is very important that this specification point is properly understood, as it is the key to understanding and answering questions linked to the following specification points: 3.8b, 3.9b, 3.10b. Now let's delve into how DNA controls the production of proteins, which are crucial for almost all biological functions. How does the structure of DNA affect the proteins made in protein synthesis? Each triplet code of bases determines the amino acid order in a protein. DNA contains sequences of bases, with each sequence of 3 bases, called a triplet or codon, coding for a specific amino acid. Proteins are made up of long chains of amino acids, and the order of amino acids determines a protein's structure and function. For example, the sequence TAC in DNA might correspond to the amino acid methionine. Changing this sequence can alter the protein produced. Why is the protein's shape important? After synthesis, the protein folds into a unique 3-dimensional shape, enabling it to perform specific roles, such as enzymes, which catalyze biochemical reactions, hormones, which regulate bodily functions, for example, insulin, antibodies, to defend the body from pathogens, and structural proteins, which provide strength and support, nail tissue, hair and muscles. Let's apply what we have learnt to the following GCSE-style question. The question is asking to work out how many amino acids will be produced by the above strand of DNA. We have learnt that each triplet code of bases determines the amino acid order in a protein. DNA contains sequences of bases, with each sequence of 3 bases, called a triplet or codon, coding for a specific amino acid. The key part of the learning needed to answer this question is that 3 bases codes for one amino acid. In this case, T, G bases will make an amino acid. A TT bases will make the second amino acid. CG bases will make the third amino acid, and TAA bases will make the fourth amino acid. So, the correct answer is option B, as 4 amino acids will be made. Our animations were designed by experienced UK-trained teachers. We have been achieving amongst the best results in the country for many years, and we decided it was time to share our success. Have you just AMALed and want to AMAL some more? Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to keep yourself up to date with the latest uploads. AMALearning, you just did.